I have a haircut appointment.
Okay, let me check that for you.
I have a haircut appointment.
Perfect, I see it right here. Welcome.
I sit and wait quietly. I sit and wait quietly. I check my phone while waiting. I check my phone while waiting. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. She washes my hair. She washes my hair. The shampoo smells very nice. 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 I want short hair today.
Okay, we can do that.
I want short hair today.
All right, let's begin.
She dries my hair. She dries my hair. I like my new haircut. I like my new haircut.
It looks great on you. I choose a brown color. Perfect, that will look great. I choose a brown color. Perfect, that will look great.
I want this hairstyle.
Okay, let's do it.
I want this hairstyle.
Perfect choice.
She curls my hair carefully. She curls my hair carefully.
My new hair color looks beautiful. My new hair color looks beautiful. The hairdryer is warm. The hairdryer is warm. I brush my hair slowly. I brush my hair slowly.
I fix my hair in the mirror. I fix my hair in the mirror.
I drink tea and relax. I drink tea and relax. I feel confident with my new hair. I feel confident with my new hair. I want to show my new hairstyle. I want to show my new hairstyle. I will come again next month.
Perfect, I'll book that for you.
I will come again next month.
All set for next month.
See you next time. See you next time.